So, bundleclear.com is basically a skincare brand focused on products designed to help with things like dark spots, uneven skin tone, and discoloration. The marketing makes the products sound pretty impressive, but there are a few things I'd keep in mind before buying. The biggest question is how quickly you can realistically expect results. Skin discoloration usually doesn't disappear overnight, and even a good product can take weeks or months of consistent use. The ingredients may have some evidence behind them, but that doesn't automatically mean the finished Bundle Clear formula will work the same way. Your skin type, the cause of the discoloration, and how consistently you use the product all matter. I'd also be careful with before and after photos and strong marketing claims. Lighting, editing, and individual results can make skincare look more dramatic than it really is. So, is Bundle Clear a scam? I wouldn't automatically call it that. But I also wouldn't buy it purely because of the marketing. If you're considering it, check the full ingredient list, reviews from independent sources, the return policy, and whether the claims actually match the evidence. Overall, Bundle Clear may be worth considering, but I'd keep expectations realistic and remember that consistent skincare usually matters more than a single miracle product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.